Hi guys, welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, I guide you through the process of changing your name on Facebook. Make sure to wait until the very end. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and ensure it's updated to the latest version available. Then sync into your Facebook account and you'll be redirected to the home page. Next, tap on the menu icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. A menu with several options will appear. Now access your account settings by tapping on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. In the account settings, tap on the Account Center dialog box and range of settings will be displayed. Proceed to the Profiles tab at the top where all your accounts will be listed. Select your Facebook account from the list and then tap on Name. Here you'll be able to change your complete name. However, please note that once you've changed your account name, you want to be able to change it back for 16 days. So make sure you are confident before making any change, and that's how you can change your name on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing and giving it a big thumbs up. I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.